Hi, my name is Twomey and I'm a dairy and beef geneticist with Munster Bovine. To help you with breeding season 2025, I will be going through some of our panels that feature in our spring dairy catalogue to help you for the season ahead. Today I will be going through our high percentages from black and white sires panel, which can be found on page 10 of our catalogue. These are sires that have milk solids and percentages that will rival any crossbred sires. They are from a range of maintenance sub-index to suit your system. The first bull on this list is Shoemark, who can be found on page 38. One of the best bulls available for EBI with a €354 value, and he's really high percentages. 0.47 for fat and 0.27% for protein, which would match any crossbred. He's balanced for milk and for fertility. He's a real excellent choice for those farmers that are really trying to drive percentages within their herd. And the dam backs up these percentages in our first lactation. She did 9.8% of solids in our first lactation. Excellent for fertility and maintenance also. And he's good for farmers that are looking for an alternative for in them Jersey cross systems that is a black and white. He's also available sex semen 4M Ultra Plus. Next bull I pick here is Jervin, who can be found on page 35. He's very similar to Shoemark, with Jervin has really high percentages of 0.45 and 0.25 fat and protein percentage. These are incredible percentages for our Holstein Friesian. He's bred from the next generation herd, and he's a real fertility improver with a fertility sub-index of 155. He's also an outcross pedigree that will breed strong, wide, robust cows. In addition to this, he's an excellent choice for your maiden heifers as he's easy calving, and he's also available sex semen 4M Ultra Plus. The final bull I chose in this panel is Kalen, who can be found on page 34. He really is an exceptional sire. He will drive milk solids with 39 kilos of milk solids, and he has massive percentages of 0.37 and 0.2 of fat and protein. This bull really ticks all the boxes. He's also one of the best bulls available for EBI with €345, and on top of this, he's positive for milk kgs, so he'll maintain your milk within your herd. His daughters are expected to have good temperament, and he's also available sex semen 4M Ultra Plus. If this panel would suit your system, or you want to find out any more information about our bulls, check out our website or contact a member of our sales team, which you can find on the back of our catalogue.